we're gonna safely hit your posterior chain with the hip hinge exercise. So this is a great lead up to movements like a deadlift. And what I have is a bar here. You can use a PVC pipe, a broomstick, whatever you have. But we're gonna really work hitting that posterior chain and keeping a neutral spine. So take your pole, take your bar, and you wanna try to line it straight up with your spine. And I like to have one hand at the top, resting at the top of my head, one at the base of my lower back, top of my glutes, and try to keep your spine neutral, keep your neck neutral as you go. A little bit of a bend in your knee for the hip hinge. You're gonna lean forward and come back up. So abs stay tight. You're gonna really feel your lower back pushing as much as you can toward that bar. But where you really feel a hip hinge is in your posterior chain. So your glutes, your hamstrings. As you rise back up, squeeze and roll your hips under just a touch. So coming down, feel that stretch a bit through your hamstring, come back up. So this is a great way to make sure that you have good form, work into exercises like a deadlift. So that's the hip hinge exercise.